So this is Mouse, an adopted German Shepherd. As you can see, he's very stressed and unrelaxed. So the first thing is to make sure that the dog is well positioned when you're going to clip his claws. So as you can probably see, his claws are quite short. But anyway, for the purpose of demonstration, what you want to do is lay his paw on a wooden block. Okay, that's it, like that. And you'll find he's quite trusting. And then you want to take a large axe like this. Okay, so once you've got the axe in your hand, you carefully put his paw there. Good boy. And then I won't be able to do this whilst holding the camera, so I have to pause. So what you do is you want to then just chop somewhere around here. It doesn't really matter where, he won't mind. So when his paw's been chopped off, right, you may find he'll try and lick it. That's perfectly normal. So this is the most agricultural and simple way of doing it. Now there's another way, which is using a chainsaw. I'll show that on another paw. Now the other method you can use is a chainsaw. This usually works quite well. So what you need to do is make sure that you club the dog first so that he doesn't react to the sound of the chainsaw. And anywhere below here is good as a cut. Okay? And he usually doesn't mind. You can see we've sewn this paw back on using a piece of old fishing wire. And he's perfectly happy with that. Okay, because eventually he'll be transformed into a Dachshund. Now the other thing that can work quite well is a reciprocating saw. You see, that's slightly more precise. And if you get the dog used to the noise, right, you can also use this to trim off his tail and his hind legs and his ears or anything else that you feel you want to get rid of. It's a very effective method and we use it all the time.